Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Tuesday the 28th. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another unboxing to do. This is the first one on my channel, courtesy of MaineLobsterNow.com. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Really great company right here. This is the first time, like I said, doing this on my channel. So we shall see what they sent us. And you guys could purchase these with the links down below. And here we go. Got that cut. Got that cut. One more cut. Oh boy. And then, see, here we go. Overnight shipping throughout the US and Canada. So all you lobsters, seafood enthusiasts, you guys can check them out. They got other goodies also. Lobster tails, lobster meat, lobster rolls, chowder, clams and mussels. And they send you other good stuff too, magnets and directions. So I'm going to do a little cooking, testing, all that good stuff after this part. And we're going to open these eyes up and see how I get. Oh boy. Here we go. Good old Larry. Oh jeez. Oh boy. I don't want nothing attacking me. Here we go. Oh my good lordy. Holy smokes. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here is Larry the lobster. They just woke up. Oh, Larry. You guys are about to get eaten. Oh, look at those big things. You got 2 3-pound lobsters right there. I'm going to take them out and then cook these guys. So, sorry, Larry. You're about to get cooked. He's definitely sleeping. Really thick lobsters. Huge. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Now he is awake. You guys can see him a little bit better. Ooh, boy, he looks mad. He's breathing. He survived. And we also got some classic whoopie pies that they sent. And I think a pound of mussels. I think these are them. We'll open those up in a little bit. And then these are crab cakes. Whoopie pies, crab cakes. And be right back. Here are the mussels. They are all live when they come in the mail. Oh, you hear them screaming. And here comes Larry. Larry's gonna make the ultimate sacrifice. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's a goner. Alien lobster. Oh, yeah, I think that's eyes. Nice and in there. His tail sticking out. And then, one sec. Alright, here is the other one. Larry number 2. It's about to go in for the drop. Oh, shove him in there. So, about 15 minutes, give or take. And, I'll show you the aftermath. Oh, his arms are sticking out. I'm saying, help me. There we go. So we'll give these a few, and then we'll pull them out. I got some pictures to take. And Larry the lobster, it's about to be eaten. Alrighty. Alright, we are a few minutes away for these to be just about finished. And then once we got those going, we're going to do the whoopie cakes and the crab cakes. Also really cool, on the back of these pamphlets, they tell you how to make them, cook them. And then there's this one for the shellfish. And then how to cook the crab cakes. Preheat oven, all that good stuff. Mayonnaise. Either mayonnaise or butter and bake for 25 minutes. Okay, those are almost done. I'm going to pull these out in a second. I'll be right back. Alright, here it is. Poor Larry. He made it through. He is nice and red. Now once it's cooked, it'll turn red. So the first color, this got a few more minutes to go. But it's almost there. But you can tell the difference between this one and that one. So this will be sit for more. There's mussels popping out. But these are the huge ones, 3-pounders. And under 15 minutes around. Cook it, boil it. Larry, he made it. Was that a hockey stick? Alright, got the Maine. So YouTubers, check them out. Be right back. I'm going to put them on the plates and all that good stuff. And then start on the crab cakes. So I got to preheat the oven for that to 400 on the crab cakes. And you got to spread some mayo on the cakes or butter. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. Surf and turf night coming. Good old Larry and his cousin are just chilling on ice right now. There he is. Yeah, these things are huge, and there's the mussels. The mussels. And the juicy stuff inside the middle. Got the steam rolling. So. And zoom in that side. But he made it. So thank you guys over at Maine. And like I said, I'm going to start the crab cakes and the whoopies in about a minute. And so stay tuned for that. And then at the end will be the full taste and let you guys know what these things taste like. But I'm sure these are the best in the world right now. And you guys could take advantage of the fast shipping. And there's the mussels. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Got them nice and over. And I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We're gonna put this in the oven now. We got it set for 400. I'm gonna put the Krabby Patties cakes inside on my non-stick pan. So all you gotta do is shut it and put the timer for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. These guys will be ready. And like I said, once those are done, taste test is coming up after all this is finished. We got there's my dog. She's ready. She wants some lobsters. And like I said, after that, these guys will be all finished. So thank you guys over at Maine Lobsters. Look at those things. I like how the look of the design. Kind of, I guess, it has like a number 9. Like there. Look at that. Ooh, there's his eyeballs. That's crazy looking though. The two-tone colors. Interesting fish. Don't know how old he was, so rest in peace, good buddy. Well, about to do some surfing down my stomach. I just gotta wait until those cakes are everything all done and this video's be done. And you'll be surfing the bottom. Dang. Look at those claws. And make sure you got your lobster tools on hand also. So I know they got a few. They might even have them at Maine Lobster now. So you guys want to check out their storefront link will be down in the description, and you guys can check them out. And I'll be right back for the final part, and we made it through. I'll see you in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, check out this spread. Here it is. We got the 2 3-pound lobsters. We got the mussels all cooked or boiled baked or whatever you guys want to call it, but these are all done. We got the Larry and his cousin. We got the butter ready. We got the crab cakes, and we got the whoopie pies in the freezer chilling for a minute. So we got those going, and then here are the there's crab cakes inside. Smells really good. And then I'll be right back for this part. See you in a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here is the final stage before eating. We're ripping those claws off. Boom. Ripping them off. Oh, things are flying. Inside, there she is, all that good stuff. Oh. Okay, there we go. Right in there. And this side shot. Oh.